Hello and welcome to another update video about Solana. Solana continues to struggle here, to put a healthy or strong wave 4 in place in an ABC. As I said in the last video, this could easily also be a an ascending wedge. Certainly nothing bullish. I know some people would call this an ascending triangle, which it could be, but it would not necessarily be bullish. Key is to understand these resistance areas and support areas. And well, I think after my last video we had a strong rejection here from the resistance here at around 1260. That happened overnight and we've dropped quite considerably, and that could already be a signal that we are on our way in the wave 5 here. As you might remember, we are waiting for one more low in this structure, ideally, because the move to the upside was certainly not in 5 waves, and if it is only in 3 waves or something corrective, it is most likely gonna come down once more. This looked like a bearish pennant or bear flag, you could call it. And also based on the Elliott wave count, we would still expect one more low. Let's see if we get it. To fulfill that expectation, we would have to get to at least 1195, all the way down to 1140. 1140 would be the maximum I would allow it to do in this in a scenario where there is still short-term upside potential, because this is certainly still the case, because we had from the low here on the 21st, 22nd of November, we had 5 waves up. So far to the downside, we see a 3-wave correction, indicating that, yeah, very shortly we could put a low in place here and move up in a 3rd wave. Is this a high confidence trade? No, this is absolutely not a high confidence trade. What I'm pointing out to you here is only the potential that the chart could do this. Again, when you see 5 waves up, it is an indication that the trend has shifted, the very first one. The second confirmation for this is if we find support. Any drop below the yellow support area would make this even less likely, this rally in a wave 3. I did go down all the way to 1140, which is actually below the support area. This would obviously reduce the likelihood of a wave 3 rally even more, but I'm doing it because if we take the length of the A wave, it would point us, the wave C target would point us into that direction to around 1140. So we have to consider it, but anyway, any drop below 1180 will make this scenario still less likely. Just pointing out that the ideal target for the wave C would, take us into the 1140 area. And also it's not high confidence, because this would really be the very first 1-2 setup in since that major drop after the 9th of November. So it's not high confidence. What you want to wait for probably to trade this, if you decide to trade this long, and I wouldn't, I'm very honest with you, then maybe we get that one more low, that would be ideal, but then wait for 5 up, 3 down in the wave 1-2 setup of the wave 3. Then there should be a 3, 4, 5. And let's say going long somewhere here, you're just catching the falling knife. Waiting for the 1-2 setup, you at least have a higher probability trade to work out. For it to work out, you can trade the wave 3 to the upside then. Because this could very well still fail. Yeah, this is only a potential. Don't know if the market will use it. At least if we have that second 1-2 setup, we know the market has made use of it. If you get 5 waves up here in the wave 1 or 3. But yeah, other than that, if we drop below 1180, or even more importantly below 1140, I think we're going to get down into the $7 range. That is still the case. And if we really go into the detail here, as I said, this move down in wave 5 could have already started. It's a bit too early to confirm that. To confirm that, we need to break below this wave B low at $12.15. I don't really like the term confirm, because nothing is really ever confirmed in these markets. They are just too volatile, too fluid. But this is this has a potential to be a wave 1 down, a wave 2 up, off wave 5. So to show you 1, 2, and we could like that head further down, just to show you the example here. Yeah? Okay, so change the wave degree. That's possible. For that to work out now, we need to stay below 1237 and ideally break below 1216. That would be additional confirmation that we are in a 3rd wave. Target for that micro 3rd wave, and that is highly fluid, that wave, but it would be 1170. Okay, so you should be equipped for that now. Hope you liked the update about Solana. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.